Hello again! This is Ashley from Rocky Phoenix AI, and this is part 2 of how I went from zero to AI advisor in just a couple of months. To start, if you have not, please like and follow. I have a lot more videos coming up on how you too can use AI. Visit me at rockyphoenixai.com for more. So where we left off, I had done my AI training and started my business. There is a lot of things people do not tell you when you go at it on your own. First, the website. You can visit me at www.rockyphoenixai.com. I got a Google Workspace account. If you don't have one yet, I can provide you a link to get started. With my Google Workspace account, I set up my email and then I got my Squarespace account. This also gave me access to Gemini Pro account too. I will go into that in another video. I also got Canva Pro to help with design. It did not make the site the way I wanted, so I stuck with Squarespace. Next, I started creating my training. I wanted to start with AI basics for recruiting. I must have tried so many different times with this. I got a couple of TikTok accounts. If you are not following me on TikTok, look for Rocky Phoenix AI. I also got an Instagram account under Rocky Phoenix AI Official. So my trainings were the hardest part to create. I started with ChatGPT. This was so helpful. I asked ChatGPT, I call it Chat, to create the outlines and content for the trainings. At first, I was recording my trainings on my laptop. I would stop, have bad audio, just did not like it at all. So I wanted to try something different. This is where HeyGen comes in. This is my AI avatar, and it is so much easier to use. I will say there is a learning curve with HeyGen. From doing your first avatar, adding motion, getting the voices right. Here you can see one of my real photos I used, and then one of my hundreds of looks I created in HeyGen. I'm using a creator account with more features. I went from spending hours re-recording my trainings to just uploading a script, adding some flair, and voila! This is my voice. These are my scripts. Everything you see here is me. Think of AI as a tool to help you grow faster than you ever thought you could. I do not have a background in video production, but with HeyGen, I can literally make videos in minutes, not days. So here's what I've been doing to build my brand with AI training videos. At first, I took my Google Slides and uploaded them to HeyGen, where my AI avatar would present the content. I hosted the trainings on Notion and Gumroad. You'll find links below if you want to check them out. After some trial and error using ChatGPT, I realized I wanted something different, something more visually compelling. That's when I started using Claude Pro, another AI tool developed by Anthropic. If you haven't heard of it, Claude is great at formatting and design. It made my slides look amazing, but the speaker notes? Not so great. So I developed a workflow. I'd use Claude to design the slides, then paste them into Google Slides, and use ChatGPT to generate strong speaker notes. That gave me the best of both worlds, visually polished decks and clear, well-written narration. From there, I dropped everything into HeyGen, and boom! I had professional-looking AI training videos. That's one of the best ways to become an advisor. Start by doing it yourself. Now, I've created over a dozen trainings, most focused on how non-engineers can use AI in real life, whether you're in recruiting, HR, solo business, or just trying to future-proof your career. If you're curious, head to my site to join a live session or get instant access to on-demand trainings. The next step in becoming an advisor? Building my own automations and custom GPTs. Honestly, this was the most technical thing I've done so far. Like I mentioned earlier, my AI mentor Alex actually told me not to do it. And he wasn't wrong. It was way more complex than I expected. That first automation took me days to figure out, but I leaned on ChatGPT to guide me through the process. And eventually, it worked. I built a live hiring manager intake form that makes recruiting way easier. It helps streamline alignment, reduces back and forth, and speeds up candidate sourcing. After that, I dove into creating custom GPTs, and that opened up a whole new level. Now, I offer a service where I build GPTs tailored to your business and knowledge base, so you can automate tasks and deliver consistent, intelligent outputs. Today, my Squarespace site has it all: AI trainings, automations, and custom GPT services, all designed for non-engineers who want to work smarter with AI. Part 3 is where it's going to get real about the pitfalls and failures I've had so far. And I've had many. This process looks simple, but there's so much you just don't know from the beginning. It's one thing to learn AI. It's completely different to use it as a tool for make money. Please follow, like, and share. I'm looking forward to giving you part 3 next.